I know you've heard me say join the Squarespace Circle program if you are building websites on Squarespace. And in this video, I want to share with you why. What do you get when you're a Circle member? So, first, let me show you how to check and see if you're a Circle member and see what level you are, because there are levels. It's a little confusing, but bear with me. Okay, to check and see if you are a Squarespace Circle member and if you are what level you are, you're going to log in at squarespace.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see your avatar in the upper right here. And when you roll over that, it's going to show you account dashboard or domains. So go ahead and just choose account dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, this is where you see the list of all the sites that are part of your account. You'll see here at the top, there's domains, but there's also an option for Circle if you are a Circle partner. So if you don't see this, you're not in the Circle program yet. I'll drop a link below for you to join. But if you are and you want to see what tier you are, you can check here. It will tell you how long you've been a member and what tier you are. But if you want more information, if you click on Circle, it's going to tell you your status, how long that's active through, your current points. And these points are how you get to each tier. And then if you are getting referral payouts, which I hope you are, it's going to tell you what your next referral payout is as well. Now, I'll drop a link below to register for that because it's different as well. So basically, 3 things to take away here. Are you a Circle member? What tier are you? And how do you get to the higher tiers? And third, the referral payout. So I'll drop a link to this help article, but basically there are 3 tiers for Circle: Silver partner, Gold partner, and Platinum partner. And each of those have different benefits. We're going to get into those in a moment, but this is going to tell you how to earn points to go from Silver to Gold to Platinum. So you're going to get points for each certain thing when someone who you've started a site for starts a new subscription for Acuity, digital products, email campaigns, Squarespace payments, their website hosting plan. And there are examples here at the bottom, but I'll drop a link below so you can look at this in detail. But again, you're going to unlock more benefits as you move from Silver to Gold to Platinum. And when you are logged into that account that I showed you the first time, it's going to tell you how many points you need to either maintain your status or reach the next status. But the takeaways are you a Circle member and what tier are you now? Because that's going to help us see what benefits you currently get. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the benefits overview. So, as a Circle member, you're going to get a discount on the first payment of annual subscriptions for yourself or for your clients. So, this is great. If you are even Silver status, you get 10% off the first payment of annual subscriptions. That's amazing. Gold is 20%. Once you reach Platinum, it's 25%. Now, the next is money straight to you, Squarespace referral payments. And don't worry, I'm going to drop a link to this chart as well and a link for you to sign up for those referral payments. The amount that you get is dependent on the level that you are for Circle. So again, the higher level, the more money you'll get. If you are looking for community, you have questions, you want to be aware of new features that are dropping, the Circle forum is the place to be. Again, you can click this and it'll have a link for you to sign up. But Silver status gets limited access to the forum. But once you reach Gold status, you have full access to all the forum posts. You're going to get information about things that are being beta tested and sometimes even alpha tested, which is really interesting. And if you are Platinum status, you even get a dedicated space for Platinum partners. Now, exclusive events. There are a few of these. There is Squarespace Circle Day, which is my favorite work day of the year that happens at Squarespace headquarters in New York City. I plan to be there again this year. And if you are Gold status, you can also register for in-person events. If you're Silver, it's online only. Now, what other events are there outside of Circle Day? There's Circle Live, which is essentially a monthly talk show all about Squarespace and web design with 2 people from the Squarespace team, Sam Zelich and Sarah Graysdorf. And they usually have guests on that are Squarespace designers. And it's really fun and interesting. I always learn a lot. And then the other exclusive event that is in person is the last couple of years, Squarespace has had a holiday party at the end of the year in New York. And no, I haven't gone. And yes, I've had a lot of FOMO. So maybe one day I'll make it. Next up, and this is a huge one, prioritized customer support. So you get support quicker than anybody else if you're a Circle member. And if you're silver or gold, it's prioritized. If you're platinum, there's a dedicated queue for you. So you get even faster responses, I've found. There's a Circle member badge that you can, a little graphic that you can add to your website. And this is another, I think, really big one. You get an extended free trial when you start a website. So normally when mere mortals start a Squarespace website, they have a 2-week free trial. After that, they have to pay to keep their website going if they're still working on it, even if it's not ready to go live. If you have silver status, you get a 3-month extended trial. Gold status gets 6 months, and platinum gets 12 months. This is huge, especially if you are a template seller. This is really, really handy. You get access to the blank template in the account dashboard. That's not a huge one for me. I start with a starter template, but if you like the blank template, this is great. You can save pages and sections to your account. So anytime you're working on a website, you can select a section and save it to your account so you can use that section on another website. And just in the last couple of weeks, Squarespace has rolled out saved pages. You can now save an entire page to your account to move to another website. And this is hugely, hugely helpful. I've had to move pages from sites to other sites before, and it required a third-party tool. To be able to do this natively is amazing. Very excited for this one. So that's a huge perk. Pinning and tagging in your account dashboard. No for silver, yes for gold and platinum. What does that mean? Well, in your Squarespace dashboard, you can see I have some pinned projects up here. This is my website plus all of my template websites. Sometimes I'll put current websites that I'm working on up here too. And then you can also add tags to your website, which is really handy. So I do this to tell me if it's a custom build, if it's a 2-day website. So I started from a template. These are really helpful to be able to organize sites in your dashboard. And if you don't have that many sites, it's not that important. But once you start getting a lot of sites and you're probably a gold or platinum member at that point, it's really, really useful. Product betas, no for silver, yes for gold and platinum. Now, again, I mentioned you'll hear about these in the full access to the Circle forum, but it's really nice. You can know how to opt into those and try them out before they are widely released so you know what's coming for your clients. Everybody gets a monthly newsletter from Squarespace and weekly release notes to let you know what's happening with Squarespace and Squarespace Circle. You also get access to the Circle blog and marketing materials. This is really interesting if you're just starting out. I think there's a lot of good information on the blog. And then we'll wrap up with 2 other things on the forum. There is a feature request board that you can drop in feature requests and people can upvote. If you are gold or platinum, you have access to that on the forum. And everyone on the forum, silver, gold, or platinum, has access to Circle news and announcements. Those are typically also in the release notes, but sometimes you'll find something in one place and not the other. There is one other thing that I want to mention that you get if you are a Squarespace Circle member. You can add gallery blocks to all content areas on 7.1 sites. Now, this is kind of a fun one. Gallery blocks are something that used to occur in 7.0, the older version of Squarespace. Now in 7.1, they've been replaced with gallery sections. But gallery blocks are really fun and they let you do some cool stuff. I'll drop a link below to one of my videos where I highlight something that I do that's really cool with gallery blocks. So if you are a Circle member, you can try that out as well. Okay, yes, that was a lot, but let me just recap my favorite things that anybody who is a Circle member gets. A discount on the first payment of annual subscriptions. Circle referral payments, another way to make money. Prioritized customer support, extended free trial, and the ability to save pages and sections to your account, and use gallery blocks. So let me know if you are a Circle member, what is your favorite feature? If you are not a Circle member or you're not getting those Circle referral payouts, I'm going to drop links below to join the Circle program, links to share everything that I've talked about today for more details, and also how to sign up for Circle referral payments. Now, if you have feedback about any of this or questions about the details, the best place to go for that is Squarespace Circle directly. I don't have influence on these tiers or how it's set up, but I do love the Circle program and I hope that you will join.